The South Korean Supreme Court rules that South Koreans can legally reject required military service for moral or religious reasons. In China, crews reach the wreckage of a bus that fell off a bridge into the Yangtze River. 9 bodies were recovered Thursday. In Indonesia, a flight recorder from Lion Air Flight JT610 arrives in Jakarta. The airplane crashed into the sea Monday, shortly after leaving Jakarta. And in northeast Nigeria, at least 12 people are confirmed dead after Boko Haram fighters attacked 2 villages and a camp for displaced persons.